In this lesson, we're going to be looking at themes and how they work. And I want you to understand that there is two types of themes which you're going to be talking about. The first one that I'm going to be talking about are free themes, and then the other one is premium themes. So let us look at free themes. If you go to appearance if you go to your WordPress dashboard, you go appearance, and then you click on themes. By default, the theme that is added to your website is actually the latest one. I'm doing these lessons in 2024, and there is a theme for 2024. So by default, again, you are going to be given, let me go back to themes. By default, you are going to be given three themes, which is I've got the 2022, 2023 one, and then the 2024 one. So themes they give a feel of your website or the design of your website. So if I click here, this one is the one that is activated. If I click on activate 2023, I'm going to activate that. Go to my website. As you can see, my website looks like this. If I refresh here, you notice that my website layout has just changed, okay, because of the theme that I've just added. However, these are not only the themes that you can have, okay, so you can click on add theme, and then when you click on add theme, there is thousands and thousands that you can actually choose from the WordPress depository, okay. But again, just like I said, free themes, they may come with more vulnerabilities and but a lot of people use free themes anyway. So let's say I need to create a website for a news channel. So what I'm going to do is here, I need to click on news, whereby I need to write articles about what's happening. As you can see, there is this layout, and there is this layout, there is this layout, and then here I can click on preview. And then if I click on preview, you are going to see that if I use this theme, my website is going to look like this. Okay, let's see if we can install this one. Okay, I'm going to install this, and then once I install this, if I activate, this might also add on some different features now, or a different view of my website. As you can see, now I go to appearance, I've got patterns, I've got customize, and all these other things that are here. Okay, if I go to my website right now, if I refresh it, you realize that the layout of my website is actually changed. Okay, the layout of my website is actually changed. So the more I add on content, is going to appear here. As you can see here, there are social icons, and then there is the time here and the date. That's what your website would be looking like. Okay, these are all free themes, and then they also have what is known as starter sites. Okay, when you click on starter sites, I'm sure you'll be able to see what's there, and then you can visit demos. Okay, you can visit their demos to see what sort of themes do they have. Okay, as you can see, these are the different designs that they have. Okay, you can preview live demo for this one that we are looking at. So this would be the live demo of your website if you want to build it. Okay, you can just install theme like what I've just done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back to themes, and what I need to do now is I need to delete this. Okay, so in order for me to delete, I open it, and I cannot delete while it is actually active. Okay, what I need to do is I need to activate the 2024 one. If I activate the 2024 one, and then now if I click on this, I'm able to delete. Okay, make sure you delete all the themes that you are not using, otherwise this will some trouble actually. And then I'm going to go ahead and click here and find if I can get another theme. I would just say maybe Facebook. Let me just say Facebook. I need to create a website that has got a few for like Facebook. Let's see what we get. Okay, no, there is no Facebook here. Okay, let's look at video. Let's say video. Let's say social. Let's say social. Social NGO. No, social. I cannot find anything that I can use for social. Let me say video. Okay, I need to create a website that is a few for videos, like people get there and all they have to do is to watch videos. Okay, this one has got a nice view. Let me just see if I can preview that. So if I'm going to use this one, it simply means that I will have something like that, but this is something that you will see. Okay, maybe there will be elements that will be playing there and anything in between. I'm just going to click on back. So that is what it is when it comes to free themes. You can actually work with any theme that you want, and then once you add that theme, you just have to go ahead and customize it. But for the sake of this lesson, I want to refresh and go back to where we are, and because I'll be working on this baseline first, and then I will later on choose a theme of my choice based on what I need to do. So basically that's about themes. Play around with themes that you want. Do go ahead and share your website and some screenshots with our community of what you have done, and if you have any questions, do let us know. With that said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.